I invite you to experience Patagonia. Immerse yourself in the stories of the Southern Andes and live the adventure of a lifetime.
How was the Andes crossing? The same as always. Okay, let's fishing. Is what my eyes are seeing possible? I can't believe it.
Elizabeth is going to be happy to see me, even though she hasn't spoken to me since last week because of the accident.
Mike, you're bringing an armadillo from the national park. Are you crazy?
He's my pet.
Patagonia, Stories of the Southern Andes, Fly Fishing and Management. Dr. Manuel Pereyra Terra, PhD.